Hello, welcome to our package on the Dise connector package install. This is presented by myself, Apurva Chaturvedi. Right. So first of all is you're going to run the package in the module. So you will receive the package install in form of this particular file, which is like something like this. This is the package. So what you do is you simply copy it uh, and then paste it onto your Oracle SQL Server. This thing. Then so I'll basically just do one thing. I will make this this thing. I'll make another connection, and I'll do a control V. Right. Once I do the control V, then I come here, and then I click on the positive sign, positive sign, positive sign, positive sign, and I execute and create all the tables. Okay. Your tables have been created. Now simply remove this. Right. In fact, this is not yet created, so sorry. So you have to create this also. You have created the tables and simply delete it. Then you come down right and execute, right? So simply click execute. So all your procedures would be created. Okay, now this is all done. Now do a cross check. Now do an execute. So simply click execute this particular procedure name. Control C, Control V. Done. Execute. Now wait for the entire procedure to all the tables are being loaded. So now you see that the entire block has been completed. So just do a select star from tbl underscore say teacher. You can check each one of these tables. Execute. There we go. So that's all the data has been loaded. Right. So basically these are the 4 tables to be loaded, so you can check. Now we need to connect to Excel, so we need to make views out of it. So what you need to do is simply go here and execute each of them, these views. So I click on this.
Create view.
Oh, I'm sorry, create view. All right. So this is a create view create. So now let's look at the next step, which is to actually connect with Excel. So we basically need the Excel connection. So we open the Excel package. We go to data. We say existing connections, forget it. We say other data sources. We pick up Oracle. We say next. Pick up the server name, which is actually, so I've picked up my own server name here. My username and password is Dise. And pick up next. Then type in VW. And say pick up any one of the views. So I say pick up, say suppose say pick up in school. Pick up next. That's it. Place it here, so you can pivot as a pivot table or a pivot chart or whatever. So you can do it that way. Pick up OK. Pick up Dise. You're done. And here you get all the data from the Dise in an Excel format. And now from here on you can make a pivot tables and you can do all kinds of analysis through this. Thank you very much for your time. That's it from us.